up straight. Great job. I like the way you're sitting up straight. I like the way you're sitting up straight. Nice job sitting up straight. So now, how many of you knew what I wanted you to do? Raise your hand. How many of you knew I wanted you to sit up straight, caught yourself about to sit up straight, and made a choice of not sit up straight? And you wonder why your kids are spiteful. Because you're the same. And then as they come closer, the people that are intentionally, sorry, pull the line. So the people that are intentionally hunched over, as I'm getting closer and closer to you, you feel that the dopamine starts going from a drip, drip, to now it's a faucet's going, and now I make eye contact with you, and you're sitting like this. And your brain's like, I'm not sitting up straight, I'm not sitting up straight, you can't make me do it. And then all of a sudden, that's what happens. So if you just understand how your system runs, and why you don't like to be told what to do, you can actually connect with your kids. There's no difference. You're human, they're human.